some fruits and vegetables. Let's go! Broccoli. This is broccoli. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Spinach. This is spinach. Lettuce. This is lettuce. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Radish. This is radish. Corn. This is corn. Peas. These are the peas. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. Zucchini. This is zucchini. Turnip. This is a turnip. Celery. This is celery. Asparagus. This is asparagus. Mushroom. This is a mushroom. Ginger. This is a ginger. Chili. This is a chili. Okra. This is okra. Leek. This is leek. Artichoke. This is artichoke. Parsnip. This is parsnip. Great job, friends! You've learned 25 fruits and vegetables today. Keep watching and learning. See you next time.
Color pencil.